Hospitals in both Oregon and Washington are being stretched at or beyond capacity. Tests, they're hard to find as the Omicron variant surges on. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at 10. I'm Elizabeth Din.
I'm Jeff Gianola, and we have team coverage as we continue to track the impact of the virus on our area. Jennifer Dowling with a new message from Oregon health officials as testing now runs low.
But first, let's get to our Jenny Young live tonight, breaking down new information from leaders in Washington state who are already fielding a surge in COVID-19 patients at hospitals. Jenny, what can the average person do to help nurses and doctors on the front lines?
Get vaccinated. That's what health officials say. Today or this week in Clark County, they have had a surge in hospitalizations. 96% of the beds in the county are filled, and 70% hospitalizations have gone up 70% in Oregon in the last 2 weeks. Washington state health data shows 80% of hospitalized COVID patients are unvaccinated, a fact that frustrates Governor Inslee, especially as many hospitals are at or over capacity.
The fact that so many people are unvaccinated have put us behind the eight ball on this, but that is the situation.
During a virtual press conference today, Governor Inslee announcing new steps to help alleviate the strain on hospitals, including resources that will help move some patients to long-term care facilities, which are currently battling staffing shortages.
So we're going to expand contracted staffing and dedicate more staff to provide care in our nursing homes to increase their capacity.
Inslee is also requiring hospitals halt all non-urgent treatments for the next 4 weeks, calling the decision difficult but necessary.
So as much capacity and staff can be dedicated to emergent needs, the people who need this right now, not just for Omicron patients, but for heart attack victims, for car crash victims, for gunshot victims. They all need help right now.
The governor also following in Oregon's footsteps, announcing he'll deploy 100 National Guard troops to help hospitals across the state. Oregon Governor Kate Brown announced yesterday 1,200 National Guard troops fan out to 50 hospitals starting Tuesday, helping out like they did last year.
But I want to strongly encourage hospitals to maximize that. There's another 125 personnel available to the hospitals to hire.
Meanwhile, Inslee hopes to get help from another source. He's calling on retired healthcare workers to return to the field.
So look, even if you can help temporarily in a hospital, if you can help with testing or vaccinations or staffing a hospital or a long-term care facility in your neighborhood.
All right, so the governor also saying that they're giving $30 million, the state giving $30 million to help training opportunities, to speed those training opportunities up for people who are getting into the healthcare industry. And if you want to answer the governor's call for help, if you're a retired healthcare worker, you can go to waserve.gov. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.